So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, Ma'am Nisperos. Here's our report about ER diagram focusing on Instagram. So, our objectives is explain business rule, explain the relationship and cardinalities of diagram used, identify the entities, identify the relationship between entities, assign attributes, and draw ER diagram. So, ito po yung partner ko, si Gerald Arguelles, and I'm your host, Camille Joy Lim. So, let's start. Here's the business rule. A large company like Instagram has a huge number of users. Users are identified by a unique ID and are described by email name, password, gender, age, and mobile number. There are two types of users, which is admin user and the follower user. So sa Facebook po is friend yung user doon, but sa Instagram is the follower user. Admin users are identified by the admin ID, mobile number, and home address. The admin holds the control of its own account and having 0 or many followers, but the follower user may or may not have admin user. The follower user is identified by the follower ID, gender, age, and the mobile number. The admin user may have a follower request that are identified with a follower name and can follow as many users. The follower needs to decide whether to accept and to decline. So, enhance ER diagram. Both admin and follower user can communicate by sending message, video call, and feedback to one or more to both admin and follower user. Message are identified with the follower name and message ID for the message and feedback ID and follower name for the feedback. The communicate is identified by the communicate ID. The post of the admin is identified as post ID and has a fixed classification hierarchy, description, pictures, and video. And identified by the description ID, picture ID, and video ID. The admin can have one or many posts and have none or many post interaction. The post can be interacted by the follower user and identified by the follower by the post interaction ID and the post ID and admin name. The follower user may both leave a heart or react. So, kung sa Facebook po is maraming reactions. Like, sad, happy, angry. In Instagram, heart po yung reaction doon. So, comment and share that will notify to one admin user. Next is number 1 in our part number 1 is identify the entities. A large company like Instagram have huge number So identifying to. So the entities. So ito po yung kaninang nasa business rule natin. So yung business rule para siyang backbone and the brain of the planning in database. So yung mga ER diagram is just a translation lang from the business rule. So i-identify na lang natin yung entities from the business rule, hindi natin babasahin lahat. So, the Instagram, the users, the admin users, the follower user, the follower request, communicate, message, video, call, and feedback. May decide pa pala dito po. So, and here's the post, description, picture, and videos, and post interaction, reaction, comment, and share. Di mawawala yan, mga reaction na yan. So, sa part 2 na tayo, which is relationship between entities. So, yun po. Ito po yung mga cardinalities natin. So, ito yung many, one, mandatory one, mandatory many, optional one, and optional many. So, kagaya po nung sa mga arrow, yung arrow point, yan. Titingnan natin dyan. Makikita natin kung saan po mo-point out itong mga cardinalities. Kung sa left or sa right ba, kung sino yung tinutukoy nila, hahanapin natin yung mga symbols na yan. So, ayan yung many, one, mandatory many, optional one, and optional many. So, a large company like Instagram, so si Instagram, sabi niya dito, many users po. So, makikita natin mamaya sa ating ER diagram yung mga cardinalities. So, dito, ano lang natin, pino-point out lang natin in layman's term. So, yung admin users ay, dito pa tayo. Sabi, si users ay mandatory many ng admin. Sorry po kung napipindot. And si admin, optional many sa follower. Kasi pwedeng one na followers or many followers. Tapos naman si follower towards admin is optional one. Dito naman po, si admin, ayan, towards the follower request and follower request towards the site. Sabi niya, mandatory many. Marami kang dapat i-decide. And si decision ay isang decision lang kada follower request. Dito po tayo sa enhanced diagram. Babasahin ko muna. Both admin and follower user can communicate. So, dito na tayo sa communication. Nandito na po si message and si feedback and si video call. So, yun po. Sabi, si admin, mandatory many siya sa both messaging and feedback. So, nag-bounce back yan. So, mandatory many. Maraming message, mandatory many sa feedback. So, ganun po. Then, sabi dito sa si message, mandatory many siya sa admin. Na si admin, optional many sa feedback. And si admin po sa classification niya is description and photos and videos. Si follower user can interact with one or many posts and identify the posts by post interaction ID, post ID, and admin name. The follower user can leave none or many remarks, reaction, comment, and share to the post that will notify only one. So, si post po ay mandatory many sa interaction. Then, yun na po sa interaction. Under niya si reaction, comment, and share. And yung reaction, which is heart po sa Instagram. So, dito na po tayo sa assigning attributes. So, pinagkaiba po ni entity and attributes. Si entity po ay pwedeng single person, place, things, or object. So, parang basically, para siyang mga datas. Tapos, si attributes naman po, siya yung nagka-classify. Kunyari, si user. So, si user, ano yung mga datas under user? Name, age, home address, mobile number. So, ganun po yun. So, dito, si user ay merong unique ID, email name, password, gender, age, and mobile number. Tapos, while dito naman po si admin, by the way, si user ang ating attribute doon. Then, yung the rest, yung mga name, age, follower, password is the entities. So dito, sa admin user are identified by the admin name, mobile number, and the home address. And our attribute is admin. So next is the follower user is identified by the follower ID, gender, age, and mobile number. And ang ating attribute na inassign dito sa mga datas na ito ay si follower. Next po is the admin user. May have a follower request that are identified with the follower name and can follow many users. The follower needs to decide whether to accept and decline. So, dalawa yung involved, which is the follower request at yung entity niya is follower name and si decide. Ang kanyang entity is decide ID. So, itong follower request and decide are both spotted attribute. Yan po. So, both admin and follower user can communicate by sending message, video call, and feedback to one or more to both admin and follower user. Message are identified with the follower name, message ID for message and feedback, ID, follower name for feedback. So, ang dami nitong attributes. So, nakikita natin dito si communicate. Si communicate under niya, ayan yung mga entities na nabanggit kanina. And si message, ito yung entity na nabanggit kanina. Si video call, ito yung entity na nabanggit kanina, which is the follower ID. And si feedback, yung ating last na attribute. So, next, the post of the admin is identified as a post ID and the clicks classification, hierarchy, description, blah, blah, blah. So, dito po ay apat. Si post, si description, si photo, and si video. Next. Dito po, nakalagay sa ating visualization or whatsoever. This is the entity, notify, sorry, and the interaction and the remarks. Silang tatlo po ang entity na saan nabanggit dito sa nakasulat sa ating gilid. So next, ito na po yung last part, which is the ER diagram. So, bakit nga ba paulit-ulit talaga yung business rule na yan? Gaya nga nasabi ko po, it's like a backbone and the brain of the database. So, doon nagbabase lahat. So, puro interpretation lang. Parang mga translation lang. So, ita-translate lang natin yung lahat ng nasa entity ay nasa business rule. So, dito po sa first part ng ating business rule, si Instagram ay sabi dito, ito yung mga cardinalities. Sabi niya dito kay users is one or many. Sabi niya pong ganon, one or many. Tapos, si user is to admin is one or many. Si admin to follower request is one to many. And si follower request to decide one to many, and si decide to follower is only one, and si follower towards admin is 0, 1, tapos si admin towards the follower is sabi niya is 0 to many. So ganun lang po yung interpretation. So dapat alam natin yung cardinalities para ma-interpret natin, magets natin yung flow ng diagram. So next. So ito po yung part 2, which is the enhanced diagram, enhanced ER diagram. So ito po yung sa enhanced diagram, which is nandito po yung admin, andito yung mga process, yung mga interaction, yung communication, yung feedback, yung follower, yung interaction, yung remarks, yung post. So nandito po lahat yan. Ayan. So, sa communicate, mamili ka which either message or video call or both. or sa post, which is description or photo or video or both, sa remarks, reaction, comment, or share. So, yun po. Pinagsama po natin in one ER diagram ang first part and enhanced diagram. So, ito po yung kinalabasan. So, makikita natin, nagsimula sa Instagram. So, tapos, yan, makikita natin yung mga interaction nila, which is communicate, feedback, interaction, post, remarks, notify, yung mga activities, which is posting, description and post, video, ganyan po, or reaction, comment, and share. So, yun po. Thank you for watching and listening. Hope you learned something. Maraming salamat po for opportunity to share our work, our output. Thank you, ma'am. May God bless you.